In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Hulu on your LG Smart TV. So don't worry if you're new to this, by the end you'll have the Hulu ready to stream on your screen. So since I don't have a physical TV that I can use to demonstrate of how to install it, so listen carefully as I explain each step so you know what to expect and what to do. So the first thing you'll need is your LG remote. So press the home button to bring up the main menu, and then from there look for and open the LG Content Store, so which is basically the app store for your LG Smart TV. So inside the Content Store, go to the search bar and then type in Hulu. So when it shows up in the results, click on it and then simply select install. The download should only take a few moments depending on your internet connection. And once it finishes, the Hulu app will be added to your apps list or home screen. So you can open it right away, sign in with your existing Hulu account, or create a new one if you don't have already an account. Now, if you search for Hulu but don't see it in the content store, it usually means your LG TV is an older model that doesn't support Hulu anymore. But you're not stuck. You can still stream Hulu by using a device like Roku, Amazon, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or even a Chromecast. Just plug one into your LG TV, download Hulu on that device, and you're good to go. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.